What's up, guys? Welcome back to this episode of our video today. Here I want to show you the Rocky Rabbit Enigma wallet passphrase today. All right, so kindly watch along to see how I'm going to match the words. Now, if you before then, if you have not claimed your daily combo, these are the daily combos. You can go and claim it now. Running mental training supervision, and if you don't know how to find the card, you can see the video on our channel. Now, go click on Enigma. So we need to match this correct wallet phrase in their order. Now for number one, our number one is absent. So drag it from here, paste it here. Number two is battle. Number three is stamp. Number four is quit. Quit. Alright, not quick. So you have to be very conscious of it. Number five is that. Number six is quick. Alright, so there are two different things. You have to see their differences. One is quit, then one is quick. So note that. Then number seven is fade. 8 is over. 9 is open. 10 is universe. 11. Okay, 11 is artwork. Then 12 is price. In this order already. So now let's click on validate now. So we've earned 2.5 million coins now. Now click on claim enigma price. So you can see it's successful. So this is how today's enigma passphrase is. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notification to be the first to get our update. See you in my next video.